Well, the big question this week will be what happens with global equity markets after the significant falls we did see during last week. Now, when we do look across last week, we did see some major falls in equities earlier on in the week, but as the week unfolded, we started getting back to some more underlying fundamentals. And in fact, US equities actually lifted late on Friday, and when we look at it across the week, they were only down around 1.5%, which seems quite unbelievable at this point in time. And the Kiwi dollar has been a very good barometer of where equities have been going. We fluctuated between 84 and under 80 cents at one point, which was a 4 to 5 cent range across the whole week. But the fact that the Kiwi dollar is now looking a little bit more settled and settled just over those 83 cent range against the US does indicate that perhaps the market is getting back to fundamentals. And if we do start to get back to these fundamentals, we are picking the Kiwi to trade a bit higher. And later on in the year, we could be trading well over the 85 cent mark against the US once again. Well, quite remarkably, US beef prices have managed to avoid most of the carnage that we've seen for other hard commodities and also for equities over the past week. And US futures have decreased slightly early in the last week, but by the end of the week, we actually started seeing some pretty positive moves, and this came after the US Department of Agriculture released their latest demand and supply estimates. Now, the USDA are picking that we're going to see a shortage of supply over the next couple of years, and there isn't going to be any increases in their herd or in livestock numbers because corn and feed prices are going to be high over the next couple of years. Now, this is pretty bullish or very positive for US beef prices over the medium term. However, I'm still getting a little bit nervous about the early part of next season back here at home in terms of schedule prices. I'm picking that there will be a little bit of a lull, and this won't be particularly positive for New Zealand beef schedule prices over the next couple of months.